Learn 100 super useful English sentences.
Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. Keep the change. Keep the change. Turn the page. Turn the page. Follow the instructions. Follow the instructions. Start your meal with salad. Start your meal with salad. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. Help me carry this. Help me carry this. Write your name. Write your name. Move the table. Move the table. Play football with him. Play football with him. Pay your bills. Pay your bills. Listen to me. Listen to me. Accept that you're wrong. Accept that you're wrong. Allow me to help you. Allow me to help you. Meet my friend Susan. Meet my friend Susan. Lead the way, please. Lead the way, please. Carry this box for me. Carry this box for me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Create something new. Create something new. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Let me go. Let me go. Change your style. Change your style. Remember this day. Remember this day. Speak in English. Speak in English. Stop bothering me. Stop bothering me. Send me a message. Send me a message. Decide what you will do. Decide what you will do. Describe yourself in 5 words. Describe yourself in 5 words. Open your book on page 23. Open your book on page 23. Return this book in 2 days. Return this book in 2 days. Walk 4 times a week. Walk 4 times a week. Sell your car for a good price. Sell your car for a good price.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest lessons.